welcome back to the journey of Rise. And before I just start, I just want to get into something totally different because what is happening in the world today is very serious. And I'm not speaking about COVID. Black Lives Matter. So I'll just take this time to do a moment of silence because this is reality. It's happening all over again and it is reality. So we have to just take a moment of silence. Thank you so much for those who actually did a moment of silence in all actuality. So let's just jump into it. Now, if you have not liked, subscribe, comment, or share, please do that right now. Goody. So in my last video, I mentioned that I added Starter Locs to my Starter Loc Journey. So this video will just show you how I did it. And at the end, you will see exactly how many baby locks I added to my Starter Loc Journey. I'm so excited. So enjoy. Now I'm separating my hair to get started. I finally located the twist that I want to loose out, and here I go at it. So at this point, my hair is actually kind of matted together, kind of locked in. So I sprayed a little more water. I actually forgot to get the conditioner to soften this up, but I made it through. I put a little oil in it as well too to soften it up. So here we go. Yay! So I finally got through with it. So I will be reparting this in half and get my new baby lock started. So gonna get started with the other twist. Spray some water on there, get some oil, loose it out, let's go. same thing over here, matted together, hard to get through. So I'll just add some more water and some oil and get through it. At this point, for this particular twist, I wish that I had remembered the conditioner part of it, because this one was very hard to get out. But bear with me and I'll get through it. I finally got it combed out. So right now at this time, I'm just gonna make my straight part and twist it. So I was having troubles getting my part straight, so I paused the video and I went and my husband helped me and get this part straight. So let's get to twisting. After I sprayed the water, I just put some tea tree and coconut oil in my hair so that I can get the twist done.
Six hours later.
So at this time, I decided to comb out 2 other starter locks and add 2 more to my Starter Loc journey. So there it is. I'm gonna twist now. Yay, help me welcome my baby locks to my Starter Loc Journey, guys. Yay! So I'm just gonna talk about my two little shorties in the front. They were cut in the beginning of my Starter Loc journey, but they're growing. Awesome. Yay. So I know that you saw that I added 4 baby locks to my Starter Loc journey. I'm so excited. And at the end of the video, you actually saw that I spoke a little about cutting the front. So this is it. So it's actually growing. The reason I cut it was because it was just strawy. So I clip, clip, and there they are. They're flourishing. I love it. So as usual, stay safe, stay sound, stay woke. See ya.